An uairnach gur chud Baile Mhic Gonair agus Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh níoch siar bheith héin tháinig Baile Mhic Gonair slán nuair a chríochnaigh Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh go Thiobraid Árann le heile Spórt mrór láithreána I bar Hiarachar. Chríochnaigh Baile Mhic Gonair bhíon amach mar champín na múnas champín na hÉireann. An éireocht le Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh díobh stéig na bhaint amach am líana. An éireocht le Buaicphointí ein Craobh Iomána Phort Láirge as a chéile seilbhach máid a chréobh na mún. Bhí mar darmach donncha agus Seamus Kennedy I bar an Brannig le haibhann seo.
Conor Sheehan a pass love at Trasna. Paddy Levy already Porrick Mahoney, to Chancellor Porrick, Eric Head scored, to she built to Orly Porrick, Toshi built to Aaron Traston. The Rockshire Seamus at 2 second. Umber scholar shooting, John McGrath, Tower Father, Ton Chelifos, in the Coulter Richo, to Traston Chotnish, Ed Conley, Sugar, Kieran Conley, Ord, Kieran Conley, Aaron Traston, Toshi Gorum. Macador Desi give a shell of all. She fought to Desi or they go hauling again. And Pascal Mahagan is good. Porrick Manny, Turtwin score. Porrick a bullet or Derek Hannon Emmert. 3 O'Canic, Porrick Manny. Stephen O'Keefe shot to Machanish. It's Stephen on score all. Tomorrow let us have Feckhagen a score all on Emmert. I was pulling check hand more Milchuk father and Chen Nuggets Keradurch back. Stephen a score all. And on St. John Lawn Chluiche and pass Lava Cormagish, eventually originally Slitter Susan Fork and Gonair Spórt and Johanish, John Ryan, Hurling scoring, John Ryan again, John score. Ton Verts Lachuli for a score. Stephen and Tachtamach, Tancha Him Lava Clay and Tamcha, Fortifa, Jirachah, Lava Porrick Manny. Iomáint is fire, Iomáint is simply. Paddy Levy-ish, and Shelley watching Paddy. Paddy's all trust in the Porca, pass. Alling and trouble Desi cuts the ball one, Bulling and Skippy, Desi, pushing up Alling, Agus Craobh Iomána. Patrick Sturle, Chastel Shane, and Tort Kerrick, but he wants to pass it beyond, Chanter Cole scoring Agus on pass of Patrick Fitzgerald, Vishahar Borford, Trasty Kevin Mahoney, Agus, well, Bullen Marhan the Muike, fair. Pass Traston was running cool bar here to the all. Fudge Kevin Manny, cool faller, bang. Oh, piece of jazz. Those Henry Kieran Conley Nish and Pascal Shahan Law does it with Chanter Cooler, John Koshi Cooler, Iber Traston, Sean Lee McGrath, August Someone take a goal bar. And I can Gustador, not cool bar.
Bhí sé sinnig tastáil Géir ó Loughmore and fear sin Stephen O'Keefe and sé an lá déarna cuma just ceantas na cool bars fear sa tír.
No, Iber go deas a got in a Gartort over and she'd Gofford cart. Yeah, Stephen O'Keefe. Porrick Mahoney, Agus Eshan another shot to go there, Stachador Desi, on Canterbury, she fought Desi, far her boring Desi, Alling and Desi Haragolin, which he had a Traston. 3 Brian Jogi, John Maher. John going to Rover, John O'Brien was broke, she put Ordy John, Toshi, put a destined John, put her a Traston. Come on, gentlemen, the cart out and goes to the ring of Shagama. So she post got her stock, torrent fun the talo on the chin, Akafana to chin, to Kevin Manny, Brano, Kevin Manny, a Bola, August, Kevin Manny, her a Traston. John McGrath, over Wahi John, and past Lava Corray, with the Fartos Chassis Lashane, Fartos Lashane, Kieran Conley, by Kieran Sauce to Lecolin, by Kieran Sauce to Lecolin, Kurahara Traston. Shasta Spórt and Desi, Shasta Lashane, Mark Husson Thorney, Desi Ogre Lashane, Desi Skipball, Desi Bola, Desi Hurrit Traston.
Yeah, and Tréimh sin rivle home at Baile Mhic Gonair, she just a rouse or fad.
Watch John McGrath, John Titsam, John O'Bola, Mimach, Emir for Pukshaska Kuig. Titchim Mr. Hamel Cole, can contour to Cole, score to Cole, Wad, roll your knock.
Substitution on the Ballygunner team, number 18, Aaron O'Neill, will take number 4 by Craobh.
And Jachen she Jirachstach. She the Fanac Leshachtan. Zirkus is got her the Cormac Power, Cormac Brandon's Brook, which I can talk for his score. Toshi Bulcha Honor, the Cormac Power, which he Bulcha Crane, Cormac Power, Toshi Bulcha Crane, Cormac Power, Hain fix the Shanish. And I don't get enough shit to Charlish, Kieran O'Regan, so the spot is Harvard Slachter, Kuto, a Baile Mhic Gonair, Toshi the Rush, and a shock to Cliff Canish the Moon, and Yikela, August Tokusha Forage and Scuff, and Kenneth Farrah all over his shot.
I think obviously the first 20 minutes there today, we were maybe a yard off, but that's down to the physicality and the character that's in that Loughmore team. So I think we finished the first half very strong, and that was key because there's a strong breeze there today and we needed to go in with a decent lead. We aimed to bring it for the full 60 minutes, but there's always going to be learnings from every game, and today's no different. And you know, we have a lot of areas to improve on, but then there was parts of our game there today that was probably, you know, superb hurling. So we'll look at both aspects of the game now during the weekend.
John McSweeney, AIB of Runner.